Hi everyone, my name's Ian Alderton. Come to the Bike Shed Festival this weekend to race the Barista, which is a bike that I helped to build at Mainhattan Choppers in Frankfurt, Germany. Obviously, the most interesting part about the bike is the fin area. We made a concept about a sportster cafe racer called the Rocket, and that's where the idea for the fins came from. And actually at the front, the headlamp is supported only by the center fin. The side fins don't even touch it, so it's like a floating element. We've also accentuated the fins and the styling of the bodywork with these trims. We've got a double filler cap, and the tank flows really sweetly through to a very slim waist into the seat, which we've also made. And the rear unit is the oil tank, where also the fin treatment follows through to the back of the bike. And there's a nice little pop-up filler here for the oil tank. And the exhaust pipe we've also made for it is obviously a big bore pipe. Looks really sporty, looks really powerful. And for that we had to remove all the parts underneath the frame here. So the oil tank, like I said, is in the tail. The battery is down below by the swing arm. And the exhaust pipes entering out at the high level at the back here. Also, some of the important parts of the bike which you need to have: a custom chrome headlight. We've got blinkers and tail lights from Kellerman, which are really sweet little LED units. We've got clip-on handlebars from LSL in Germany. The speedometer tucked right down here from Motor Gadget, and a few other bits and bobs: Roland Sands rear set footrests, Burley shock absorbers to give a nice ride height at the back. And this is our cool Vortex air filter, also from Custom Chrome, which lets you see right through down into carb. And spoke wheels, of course, to give it that classic look. But we're selling these on customer order, and people can spec, of course, what wheels, exhausts and paint job they want to have. So it's a flexible design concept as well. A lot of interest. We were at the Bike Shed show with it back in May, where got an awful lot of interest for the bike. And time to have a little bit of fun here. And let's see if it'll start up. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the bike. If you're coming to the festival, I hope you enjoyed that as well. And don't forget to watch more films on the Bike Shed YouTube channel.